Hello there and welcome back to yet another reality show review with me, guys. Today we are going to be reviewing the recent episode of Isencane Lengane. But before we get into yesterday's episode, let us just recap a little bit. So on the last episode, Siyacela decided to officially introduce Thando to Mato, who is the official side chick to Siyacela, and unfortunately the two didn't get along, you guys, as planned. The two ladies were literally exchanging really heavy and harsh words, you guys. However, Mato, who is the side chick, she says she is not going to back down, as she's not ready to leave her Siyacela, because according to her, Siyacela is a man and needs some cake, and according to her, Thando is still quite weak. She has just given birth to a new baby boy, you guys. So according to Mato, she says that when you have given birth, your body is not ready to be indulging in la sexual activities. So it was really a really harsh meeting, because even Thando's mother was dragged into this entire situation, as Mato stated that how can Thando be giving birth at the same time as her mom, you guys. So moving right along on yesterday's episode, Siyacela then decided to apologize to Thando for what happened between her and Mato after that particular meeting, and they booked a hotel where Siyacela unfortunately once again showed his true colors. Thando reveals that she received a phone call from a friend, and that's what sparked the fight and fire between them. Siyacela couldn't believe that it's really a friend who was calling, so he decided to then resolve the issue by slapping Thando across the face, you guys. And instead of apologizing, he just says the reason as to why he did that is because he warned Thando about having friends, that he wants her to only have friends from his family, because according to Siyacela, if Thando is busy having friends who have boyfriends, then that also means that Thando might just start dating and cheating on him. Now Thando then breaks up with Siyacela during this episode and tells him that she is really afraid of him, because when he was beating her up, he failed to put their child into consideration, you guys. The child was in the room and crying on top of the bed. However, Siyacela was only concerned about the phone call and was just beating Thando up. Furthermore, you guys, what really made me sad is the fact that Thando says that Siyacela even threw a hard phone on her stitches, you guys. Just imagine, on her operation, it's still fresh, it's still new, so anything could have happened. And as a result, Thando was stating that what if it had burst? What if the operation had burst and I died due to the fact that you are insecure? So that is why I am deciding to break up with you, because when you are angry, you're unable to think. And as Thando was trying to break up with him, guess what? Siyacela takes the brand new phone, which was 2 days old, that Thando recently bought for herself, and smashed it on the floor, you guys, because he does not want to, or obviously, break up Thando, you guys. So a lot of Umoja Love and Isencane Lengane's viewers are not quite happy with what is happening on the show, you guys. They are stating that, look man, South Africa is currently dealing with this issue of it's another pandemic. GBV is another pandemic here in South Africa. So a lot of people are saying, you know what, we cannot just let Umoja Love show this side of Siyacela and allowing Thando to be going back to somebody that is abusing her like that on national television. What are they trying to show other people that are watching the show? They are basically saying it is okay for you to be abused, and when the man apologizes, you need to go back, forgive him, and the cycle continues. They should not be showing this part of the show, you guys. Furthermore, they need to help Thando get out of this abusive relationship. So what are your thoughts, you guys, on this one? Please do share that with me down on the comment section, like this video, and also subscribe if you have not yet done so, and I will surely see you guys on my next one. Bye.